I used a 100-year-old piece of wood, bought a stubborn nail and finally hung up the dartboard in my shop. It's now been about 6 weeks since I moved into my new shop, so I think it's time for the first project here. As you can see, the space is still pretty empty and raw, but I have 2 wall plugs here and one right here. So I'm hoping that I can unplug this one to use for my bandsaw. I think this one looked very promising. After I finally got this stupid nail out of my block of oak, I could get started on resawing this block into thinner boards. For this, I'm using a bandsaw I recently restored. I don't have a dust collection yet, so I'm just using my shop vac, which I somehow kind of attached to the dust extraction port. I recommend wearing a respirator. Okay, I'm curious to see what we've got. Looks very promising. I'll have to play with the pieces a bit to see how they can match together. This is actually pretty nice, I think. It probably won't do much to protect the wall, but it looks really nice. Damn, I'm happy with it. Well, how am I supposed to hang this on the wall if I mount it like this? I'm gonna take a moment to think and then I'll get back. So I just figured it out. It wasn't that hard. We'll use this piece as a wall piece and this will go into here. I forgot one thing. Since I am building this piece and I already mounted the darts mount that is at the same height as the bullseye, but I need to figure out the height difference between my mounting holes here and the height of the bullseye, because otherwise I will mount it at the wrong height. Turns out I need to be 173 plus 7.5 centimeter height, which equals to 180.5 centimeter. I'm now gonna measure and draw on the wall.